Guys, in this video we are going to see how to convert a number from octal fraction to decimal fraction. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we have a number that is 45.352 and the base is 8 for octal, and if we want to convert this one into decimal, we take the integer first. We have 45, that is integer. Okay, let's pick up from backward. For integer we go from backward, like from here to here. So we multiply the first number by 8 power 0 because the base is 8 for octal. So we multiply this one by 8 power 0, and the second number we multiply, the first number we multiply that one with 8 power 1. For example, if we have another number in front of this one, we multiply that one with 8 power 2. The 8 power each increases each time. Okay, it go from back to the front, right? So this is for the integer part. Okay, let's try this one here. So this is for integer. Okay, and when we deal with the fraction part, it's going to be different. So here we have 0.352, that's a fraction part. The first number is 3. We multiply that one with 8 power minus 1, and the second number we multiply that one with 8 power minus 2. So it increases each time, like 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2, 8 power minus 3, it goes like that. Okay, so this is going, the next one is going to be multiplied by 8 power minus 3, and if we have another number after this, we are going to multiply that one with 8 power minus 4, and the power goes like that. Okay, this is for the fraction part. Okay, this is for the fraction part, and if we add all of this number, that's going to give us the decimal fraction number. And if you add these two, add all of these, not two, all of these 5 together, you're going to get 37.457, and this is going to be a decimal number. For decimal number, the base is 10. Okay, and that's how we convert an octal fraction number to decimal fraction number. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.